how to switch Google account in text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the text messages app. In here, we go back to the conversation list. Then tap on the profile icon at the top corner, and then tap on switch account. From here, tap on the account that you want to switch. So tap on the account right here. Here it says switch accounts, and then tap on continued. And then go down and tap on continue as test. So you can see that it will show test here. If I choose switch account, it will offer me the second account that I can switch over to. If you don't have a second account added yet, you can tap on add another account. So from here, you can add in a second account or a third account. And that's it. So that is how you can switch Google account in text messages. Thank you for watching this video.